remote control, forward, both forward, backward, and it's very simple. Up, down, okay, on and off. Very simple remote control. Okay, so as you press there, 2 AA battery. Okay, repeat in a minute. So just a quick look at this. Okay, just because that's one in the motor, so that is lock. So let's see some detail on this. Okay, when you look from a distance, it's okay, but when you touch it, it's very plastic. Okay, main thing is about the wheel. This wheel, one thing we like it is when the wheel is soft. So when you go through the mud, it's quite, yeah, you see, so it's quite good, soft. You can go through it much easier when you go for the mud. So this is soft plastic. Okay. Underneath there. So let's look inside there. So you got a couple of motor inside there to push this up. Inside the driver's seat. Okay. Okay, so this is hasn't any plastic, it's a see-through, which is good when you get out there, so it's not going to break and crack. That's a little bit with an engine. So overall, a little bit small, just over 20 centimeters, and looks good. Test the performance in my back garden, probably a little here about 45 degrees. So we're going to do this little test in a minute, put some battery in it. Ah, battery. Where did I put the battery? Let me see. Okay, battery in the bottom. Okay, so one thing I don't like it. Screwdrivers. So do I need to keep a screwdriver all the time? Every time I change the battery. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a battery in it, not even screw this up to see how strong this is hold. If it's holding pretty well, I don't bother to put a battery in it. Okay, so here is the